Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Iswatun Hasanah. I am student at Muhammadiyah University of Purwokerto. I live in Adibala, Cilacap, Central Java, Indonesia. Today I will present a segment from Dr. Anna Andriana. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to present with the title PBL Model Based on Religious Values for the Implementation of Student Habits and Understanding in Grade 5 of Staff Elementary School Lahar 3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. Introduction. Religious education play a crucial role in shaping student character and personality from an early age, especially in grade 5 of elementary school. A critical base for development moral, values, and critical thinking. In Indonesia, Islamic values are expected to go beyond the Islamic education subject and be integrated into all learning activities to support character building. Problem-based learning (PBL) is enough for enhancing student conceptual understanding and critical thinking when combined with religious values. This model can also aid effective and psychomotor domain, making learning more holistic. This is particularly relevant for State Elementary School Lahar 3, a school with a strong religious background aimed for continuous integration of Islamic values. Problem formulation 1. What is the teacher role in teaching religious values to 5th grade students? 2. What intrinsic and extrinsic factor include student religious habit and understanding? 3. How is religious education implemented to help student behavior and understanding? 4. What strengths are used in applying PBL with Islamic values? 5. What benefit to students again from this approach? Introduction. Religious education play a crucial role in shaping student character and personality from an early age, especially in grade 5 of elementary school. A critical base for development moral, values, and critical thinking. B. Discussion 1. The role of teachers in teaching religious values education. Teachers play a crucial role in teaching religious values not only as instruction but also as role models who embody honesty, patience, and compassion. They serve as moral and spiritual guide, helping students understand and apply religious teaching in their life. Through Halif approach, teachers inspire students to love their faith in by it. Additionally, they foster a religious school environment through activities like communal prayer and religious student, with strength understanding and shape student character based on faith and noble and conduct. 2. The role of parents in teaching religious values education. Parents play a vital role in shaping children's religious character as their first education at home through risks like prayer, Quran reading, and characterable age. Children become familiar with religious values early on. At State Elementary School Lahar 3, At elementary school Lahar 3, students from religious homes learn to be trained and practice religious values at school, while others need additional teacher support. Effective collaborative when parent and school. through combination, practice, in activation, and home monitoring is essential for successful building a child religious character. 3. Intrinsic and extrinsic factors that influence the information of student habit and studying. Intrinsic factor 1. Internal motivation to learning and worship. 2. Religious over development with the student. 3. Intra-religious student with a comprehensive its application. Extrinsic factor include 1. Family environment being early habit. 2. Peer was influence can sport or religious behavior. 3. Media and technology with affect student understanding positive for negative. 4. Education of religious values for the implementation of habit and understanding of student in class 5 of Vlahar 3 Public Elementary School. At State Elementary School, Vlahar 3 religious values are taught not only through Islamic education class but also into daily life like praying group worship, Quran reading, and reciting Asmaul Husna. Islamic holidays are marked with sermon and social activities. Teachers play a key role in teaching contextual learning that help students apply religious values in daily life. They also offer personal support to students struggling with religious understanding for steering their moral and spiritual growth. 5. Model education based on Islamic religious values. The problem-based learning (PBL) model based on Islamic values center student in learning through solving the problem. In religious education, PBL encourages students to think critical and solve social and moral issues Islamic principles. At State Elementary School Vlahar 3, example is canary on social issues like bullying, community self-project, and group discussion on the story of the Prophet and the companion. This approach effective engage students, but emotional and intellectual depend their understanding of religious values. 6. Benefit of PBL education model based on Islamic religious values for students. The implementation of the PBL model based on Islamic values offers several benefits including 1. Improving religious concept understanding through hand-on experience. 2. Developing positive character traits and hostility, responsibility, empathy, and discipline. 3. Inspiring critical thinking skill by analyzing issues from both religious and social perspective. 4. Improve collaboration skill through discussion and teamwork. 5. Fostering spiritual awareness to affect and conceptual activities. C. Consolation. Based on the analysis, several key concepts can be drafted. 1. Parent role is crucial in shaping children religious character by providing guiding and creative and religious family environment. 2. Intrinsic and extrinsic factor influence student understanding and habit regarding religious values. 3. At State Elementary School Vlahar 3, religious values education is effective integrated into daily activities in thematic lesson, trusting student, positive habit, and spiritual understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, wassalamualaikum.